Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me and the sounds. Today I will show you guys how to apply major 7th chords in worship song. Please, if you are new to the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button down there to get the channel going. Thank you. Okay, now we are on the key of C. Now, major 7th chord of C. This is my right hand. You know what you do? I will just skip some basic parts and I'll go straight to the main point. You know why playing your 1, your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. You know your 1 chord is a major chord. Your 2 chord basically is a minor chord. Your 3 chord is a minor chord. While your 4 is a major, your 5th is a major, and your 6th is also a minor, while your 7th is your diminished, back to your 1 again. Now what you do is that you can apply major 7th chords while playing your 2, your 3rd, and your 6th. I'll show you how to apply it. Now let's go to the key of F. You observe that this is the major 7th chord for the key of F. Are you guys seeing it? Now, let's go to the key of G. This is the major 7th chord for the key of G. And now, remember, this is the major 7th chord for the key of C. So we have the one for the C, we have the one for the F, we have the one for the G. And what you do is that you measure it. This is what your right hand is supposed to be playing. Now the note that goes along with this on your right hand is your A note on your left hand, which is your 6th. You can see how it sounds. So in other words, whenever you want to play your 6th as a chord, instead of like this, you can just play it as a major 7 style. Now whenever you want to play your 2, you have to play the major 7th of your 4 chord. So you guys can see it. Whenever you want to play your 3rd, you can play the major 7th of this G note, which is your 5th. So you can see you can substitute it for your 6th chord, your 2 chord, and your 3 chord, which is, let's take it from the 2 now. You can use it to play little jazz. Let me see, if you want to learn it more faster. Let's take a song for an example. Let's use this song. I don't want to sing a lady song. I don't want to peck a lady card. I just want to make you smile. There's a da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Now I'm supposed to go to my 6th, but now you can substitute this chord like I showed it. Okay, let's take it again. I don't want to sing a lady song. I want to peck a lady card. Or I just want to make you cry. So I'll show you guys again. I don't want to sing a lady song. I don't want to peck a lady card. Now you can see I'm using the major 7. Now I want to go to my 4 and my 5th to my 1. Now I can also substitute this 4 for the 2nd. I don't want to sing the lady song. I don't want to peck a lady card. I just want to make you smile. Are you guys harmonizing, I use the one for the second, then to my fourth, to my fifth, sorry, then to my one again. So whenever you are playing you want to substitute any chord for your second, this is it. And for your third and your sixth. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.